Hey guys, this is Robert and here's a package. So let's open it up and see what this are. Some like shoes. This comes wrapped in plastic. These shoes. There it is. Shoe, both the same. There's a steel toe on top. I'm pressing down on it. It's not bending, so that's true. Here it is. Inside a sew here. Some give here. Goes down a little bit. The loop here. Here's the design. Has air cushions or something inside. Below. So like my finger is like where it stops, where the sew is. It's the bottom. Slip resistant and it's supposed to be pretty tough too. Yeah, that's the shoe. So if you're interested in the shoe, the link will be in the description below. Using that link, you'll help support the channel. So thanks for stopping by. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share the video, and I will see you next time.